Here's another hidden Samsung feature that almost nobody uses. This feature locks your phone to one app, preventing anyone from leaving it without your permission. It's perfect when you're lending your phone to someone. How to turn it on? Open Settings, tap Security and Privacy. Scroll down and select More security settings. Turn the feature on which says Allow apps to be pinned. For extra security, enable Ask for PIN before unpinning. Now you are ready to use it. How to pin an app? Open the app you want someone to use. Tap the Recent Apps button. Tap the app icon at the top of the screen. Select Pin this app. That's it. The app is now locked to your screen. The person can only use that app. They can't open your notifications, view your photos, read your messages, or browse your other apps. How to unpin the app? When you get your phone back, press and hold the back and recent apps buttons together, or on gesture navigation, swipe up and hold as instructed on your screen. Enter your PIN, fingerprint, or pattern. Your phone returns to normal. Why this feature is so useful? Here are just a few situations where app pinning can help. Let your child watch YouTube without opening other apps. Show someone a single photo without giving access to your gallery. Allow a friend to make a phone call without accessing your contacts or messages. Prevent accidental changes when someone borrows your phone. Add an extra layer of privacy when using your phone in public. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more hidden Samsung and Android tips every week.